These legendary cricketers are also the billionaires. Sachin Tendulkar, an Indian player, holds a record for most runs in ODI. He is regarded as the greatest player of all time. His current net worth is around $170 to $200 million. He became the first cricketer to sign a deal of Rs. 100 crores as the brand ambassador of MRF Tires in 2001. He has been a brand ambassador of worldwide known companies including Canon, Philips, Pepsi, BMW, Luminous, Adidas, Britannia, Visa, Castrol and many others. Despite retiring in the year 2013, he remains the richest cricket in the world. MS Dhoni. Ex-captain and wicketkeeper of India Mahendra Singh Dhoni comes at number 2 in the list of richest cricketers. He has a net worth of $111 million. He is the only Indian in Forbes' list of highest paid athletes in 2018. He is associated with the brands including Lay's, Snickers, Orient, Gulf Oil, Sony Bravia, TVS Motors and many others. Virat Kohli. Kohli has a net worth of $92 million as of 2021. He earns a huge amount of money from worldwide known brands like Puma, Audi India, MRF, Colgate, Wellman, Himalaya, Star Blue, Myntra, Tissot Watches, Wix India, Uber India and many others. He is regarded as the biggest sports brand ambassador of India. Ricky Ponting. Former Australian captain Ricky Ponting's net worth predicted to be around $65 to $70 million. He is associated with numerous companies including Valvoline, Adidas, Rexona and many others. He is considered the most successful captain in international cricket history. Brian Lara. Legendary cricketer Brian Lara, who represented West Indies, regarded as one of the best and richest cricketer of all time. As of 2021, his estimated net worth is $60 million. Despite retiring, he comes at number 5 in the list of richest cricketers. He has been the brand ambassador for MRF Tires and other companies.